I am finally in Gibraltar, which is a British territory actually located within Spain, but that's a story for another day. And I'm super excited to finally be here and explore. So let me take you through part 2 of this video and let's see how much we can get in here. If it's too long, then we'll have a part 3. Guys, I'm finally at my hotel and final destination in Gibraltar. Oh, I'm so happy to be reunited with my toiletries. I just got here and immediately took a shower. I missed my face care the most, so I've just put on some hyaluronic acid to rehydrate, and then I'm gonna explore. This place is stunning. Like, I'm looking out my window because there's just boats and water and there's little cafes. Stunning, but I'll show you a bit more once I go down. So I'm going to grab a quick lunch. Actually, my first meal for the day. I'm finally cleaned up. So the restaurant I was trying to go through to on deck 3 is closed. I've been asked to check the one on 7. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just on the balcony now having a look. Oh, it's so beautiful. Let me show you. Water down there. So I'm at the Barbary restaurant on deck 7. I'm just trying to order something to drink and then I'll be able to get some food as well. The setting is quite pretty and I have a view of the deck. I'll show you just now. But let me just order something and then so that behind me is the hotel. During my walk from the hotel, I ended up at the Spanish border. No, I didn't walk miles and miles or kilometers and kilometers. The Spanish border is 10 minutes from the hotel where I was staying and also 10 minutes from anywhere because Gibraltar is quite small. Gibraltar is located in the south of Spain really, but it is an overseas British territory. There's a lot of history there that I can't go through now. However, I ended up at the border in a few minutes. And on the other side of Gibraltar, you would find Morocco. So it is smack bang between the south of Europe and the south of Spain and Morocco, which is in Africa. There we see the Rock of Gibraltar, which is one of the most strategically placed landmarks in the world, and in the past it was used as a fortress for defense against invaders. So I'm still walking to the beach. I got a little lost and I'm 17 minutes behind, and I actually ended up at the Spain border again, which by the way is about 15 minutes away from the hotel. You can actually walk to the border. Having a Schengen visa, I would have been able to get in, but I instead got a UK visa,
which is the visa used for Gibraltar. So Spain is literally a stone's throw away, but I can't go. But yeah, almost at Catalana Bay, and then I'm really looking forward to seeing it. It's a pity I got a little lost because I do have another appointment at 10 a.m. It's currently 7:30 a.m. I left the hotel at 7, so it's a 30-minute walk back. So I just need to kind of rush through the beach visit. I see the beach there. Yay. So there is the Caleta Hotel, which is based in Catalana Bay. Let me just turn this around and show you.
In the distance, you will see the Caleta Hotel, that is that white building. It has been there for over 60 years. And if I'm not mistaken, I hear it is being demolished. So if you look carefully in my video, you'll see a few signs that say Save Caleta.
Finally at Catalan Bay, really beautiful, scenic.
Thank you for watching, fam. If you haven't yet, please check out part 1. I've linked it on the description, and I'll be uploading part 3 soon. And there's actually a lot more that I need to show you in Gib, so come back soon. Bye.